Cosori has given us their award-winning red dot design best-selling air fryer to test. They are launching in Australia and they have been kind enough to give one of our Australian subscribers a free air fryer. More information about their giveaway at the end of the video. We're going to do an unboxing of the Cosori SmartAirFryer. We are also going to test the smart Wi-Fi connectivity where you can monitor the device from anywhere. We will also be testing our most popular crispy pork air-fried recipe and test how easy it is to clean the unit. This unit is the Cosory CS158, the #1 selling air fryer brand in the US, which is being launched in Australia shortly. Inside the box is a recipe book, user manual, reference guide, and an air fryer. The basket had a safety release button. There was also one skewer rack and 5 skewers inside the box. The rack can not only help hold skewers, but can also be used as a double layer to air fry more food. The basket has a 5.5 litre capacity and is non-stick and PFOA free. The dimensions of this basket is 9 cm deep and 23 by 23 cm. It is designed for hot air circulation and can be easily removed using the safety release button. For Australia, the unit will be 220 to 240 volts and have 1700 watts. There is also a handy cord holder at the back. The air fryer weighs 5.4 kilograms and the overall dimensions are 32 by 30 by 30 centimeters. It will come with an Australian power plug. The air fryer has a touch control panel with 13 cooking functions. There is also an auto preset time and temperature. These are frozen food, french fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, dessert, preheat, bacon, shrimp, seafood, steak, chicken, and manual adjustments. The minimum temperature is 75 degrees Celsius and has a maximum temperature of 205 degrees Celsius. The maximum air fry time is 1 hour. The touchscreen is easy to use and very responsive. The air fryer also has smart Wi-Fi connectivity. You will need to download the VSync app and sign up for an account. Follow the steps and connect your unit to the Wi-Fi. It's very easy to do. Once connected, you will be able to monitor your air fryer from anywhere. The app also has loads of chef-created recipes that are easy to follow. The app has a safety feature where it won't start if the basket is not in the unit. As you can see, it's very responsive and it will connect to the air fryer in no time. To test the air fryer, we will try our most viewed video, the crispy pork belly. We are using 1 kilo of pork belly. Rinse the meat with cold water and pat dry thoroughly with a paper towel. This is an important step to remove the moisture off the meat. Slice the meat 1/4 of the way through, about 2 centimeters apart, the thickness depending on your serving size. Rub the meat with 3 teaspoons of garlic powder and 3 teaspoons of onion powder. Make sure the side and cuts are covered as well. Wrap the meat in 2 sheets of aluminium foil. Ensure the aluminium foil is above the skin to hold the salt. Evenly spread 1 cup of salt on the skin side. It's a lot of salt, but it is required to remove the moisture off the skin to make it crispy, and the salt will be discarded. Place the meat into the air fryer basket. And air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. With this air fryer, you are able to monitor the time on the app and get notified when the time is done. This means more time to rest and relax away from the air fryer. The app will send a notification to your phone or even your Apple Watch. Remove the meat from the air fryer with the help of a spatula. Discard the salt. Poke the skin with a meat poker. If you don't have one, you can use the skewers. Dry the skin side with a paper towel and return the meat to the air fryer without the aluminium foil. Air fry for another 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It smells so good and the crackling is definitely crispy. Remove the meat and let it cool on a rack. While the meat is cooling down, we are going to see how easy it is to clean the basket. Once the basket has cooled down, collect the oil and wipe the basket with a paper towel. Wash in warm water using a soft sponge and dishwasher liquid. Once done, rinse and dry clean. This process was super easy with the non-stick surface. Time to cut up the meat and taste it. Chop up into preferred serving size. As you can see, the meat is perfectly cooked and so juicy and tender. My dad said as quality control you need to regularly taste a piece of meat. Yes, I can vouch that the meat is tender and juicy and the crackling is amazing and crispy. Again, he is doing more quality control. And again. Plate and serve with your favorite dipping sauce. We like ours with the thick plum sauce. This was a success. Hope you enjoyed this video, and now time for the giveaway information. For this giveaway, Cosori is giving a free similar air fryer to the one we showed. If this video does well, there will be more giveaways in the future to a larger audience. If you want to enter this giveaway, you must have an Australian mailing address and need to be a subscriber of the Lazy Awesome Dad YouTube channel. You will have to comment on this video #Cosory CS158 Airfryer giveaway. The US top-selling air fryer now available in Australia, like shown in the pinned comment. The winner's contact details and mailing address will be shared with Cosori, who will then organise for the air fryer to be delivered to the winner. Good luck, and thank you for making it this far in the video.